By the nine hells, what in the blazes is this place? The air itself feels wrong. Wrong is an understatement, Finn. My ex-hand is itching, and not for a good reason.
Remarkable. Truly remarkable. Look, there, in the center of the pool.
What in the God's name is that thing?
It's an egg. But not like any I've ever seen. Pulsing, with its own sickly light.
An Eldritch egg. Unhatched. This is an unimaginable find. The power. The knowledge locked within.
Power? Knowledge? Lyrics, are you mad? That's a blasphemy against nature. We destroy it. Now, before whatever spawned it returns.
Hold on. Destroy it? Griffin, think of the coin. A specimen like this? Every collector, every arcane guild from here to the Dragon Coast would pay a king's ransom just for a shard.
A shard? Finn, you fool. This isn't for selling. This is for studying. Imagine what we could learn. We could extract samples, create new spells, potions. The possibilities are endless.
Study it? You want to dance with damnation lyrics? That thing is a threat. It's corruption giving form. We smash it, we burn it, and we cleanse this unholy place.
Whoa, easy there, big fella. No need for the theatrics. Look, let's just take a tiny piece, just a sliver, for study, for profit, for whatever, and then we get out before its mama comes home.
No! It must be preserved, intact. We can rig a portable stasis field.
There will be no preserving. Only purging.
Too late for decisions, fellas. We got company.
By the gods, it's awake.
No! It's his parent.